What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ASO for Academy Sports. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this is the first time we've talked about this stock on the channel, so what we're going to do is come in and just map out the most obvious areas of support and resistance, give ourselves that daily roadmap, as we like to call it here. So coming in, finding the floor from down here, and then we'll just map this one out as well. I'm sort of curious to see how this will work out. Let's do it sort of temporarily first. This has been broken, so that's no longer really in play. How about if we come from here? Yeah, I would start to say that this might be considered just a little bit of a fake breakdown there. So we'll go ahead and throw that on just as sort of a backup reminder for the trend here. So something like that as a support trend line. And obviously the Friday candle in question was a result of an earnings announcement before the market actually opened. Okay, so all things considered, the lower wick here would indicate a lot of buyers stepped up off of these lows and pushed prices higher. And as of the post market from Friday, we're currently in the post market at least at 47 by 46.26. So certainly up here towards the highs instead of, some dramatic fall off into the after hours. So I like what I'm seeing. Again, a hammer candle would indicate good buying activity here off of the lows. We're also still defending that daily 50 SMA. So from the daily perspective, it actually checks out for the bulls to kind of be in control here. And it makes sense where we stopped, where the party stopped on Friday here from all of these past touches of resistance. And it's starting to set up the case for a breakout here. We can only knock on the door so many times before someone answers. So I would imagine and just start to think about this from the daily, any sort of higher low pullbacks that start holding in here maybe and then reattempt, look for the move to take us back higher to the all-time highs, essentially closer to about 51 even. Now, I'm not saying it literally has to happen at 46, and what we should do is take a closer look at the 30-minute intraday to see what levels are the most important levels to be holding. What I think is interesting about the morning, again, pretty much a straight shot lower, giving us that lower wick, filling the gap, so also cleaning up the daily structure, once again, a bullish thing here. But look at this, right? We had a pretty perfect double bottom and then a neckline breakout into the afternoon. So that checks out as well, indicating to us that ASO will trade based on technicals. So that is a good thing to know. Now into the end of day, this is starting to look like a bullish pennant. So any breakouts, again, up and over that 47.35, definitely start targeting those highs closer to 51. So what would be the must-hold area? Well, in my estimation, it's this horizontal one, close to 46.26. That's going to give us an ideal consolidation range. Again, breakouts take you higher. Anything underneath, it's all about, do we find support this time around at the neckline, 44.55. Now, before I send you on your way, let's go ahead and take out the Fibonacci's here from low of day up to the high of day just to see where that 38.2 is. It's kind of in no man's land, close to 45.50, give or take. I really wouldn't start thinking about that. I would really opt for the structure, as we pointed out here, 46.21, or the neckline, which is just above the 61.8. I know it's blue text. It might be hard to read in there, but ultimately your 61.8 is this blue line right about here. And as we know, that's the must-hold area when we're dealing with Fibonacci's. Any candle closes underneath, extremely likely you make a 100% retracement, and it coincides nicely with the neckline breakout point into the afternoon. So again, opting for structure, I would just start watching 44.50. Let's go ahead and remove the fibs here, talk in terms of scenarios one more time. So again, ideal consolidation, breakouts for higher, any moves underneath, start looking for potential reversal patterns here off of that prior neckline at 44.50, and not so interested in the stock if it wants to break down under that level right there. Hopefully you got a good sense for the stock in today's video. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comment section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.